Today we'll talk about custom runner. These are options that we provide to allow users to have more flexibility to use your own choice of GPU resources if preferred, or running in your own environment. And this will allow you to have more control, be it for the environments and resources that you need. And in order to set up custom runner, you have to install the Datature SDK. You can refer to our documentation for some of the prerequisites and system requirements as needed, and ensure all the installation steps are completed. And after that, you can retrieve the secret key for the next authentication steps. To start the runner installation, run the command Datature projects off and key in the secret key as needed, and run the Datature runner install command next. And once the initialization has completed, you should see this message. And if successful, we should now be able to see the runner under our own workspace. And how do we use it? That is to go to any of the project that you want to run the training, and you will then see the options to use the custom runner. And when you are starting the training, you can choose the custom runner GPU resource. And now we can then select the runner from the drop-down list under the hardware acceleration section, and there are different statuses that will be shown to you. Green means that the runner is online and available to accept new training jobs, and we can select it for our training. But there will be also other colors such as yellow, which means that it's suspended, meaning that the runner is available but currently not able to accept new training jobs. Or there will be red color shown, which means that the runner is currently occupied and is currently running a training job, for example, and cannot accept new training jobs further. And please note that currently we only support the NVIDIA GPUs. If you wish to run training on other types of GPUs and CPUs, you can contact us for more support. And to manage the runner, we can leverage some of the command from our SDK, such as runner list, and this will list all our installed runner. Or we can check the statuses of a specific runner with Datature runner status and indicate the runner name. And sometimes you might want to check through the training logs. So we can use the Datature runner logs, and it will dump all the logs over the lifetime of the specified runner. For other commands, you can check out our developer documentations for further information.